Welcome runners to DMAC. This is Duncan McKinnon, the 400 metre track. Many of you have been there, some of you will be coming for the first time next week hopefully. What we've got here is, up the top here is Crosby Road, so you're going to be parking up around here, the 1500 metre mark on Crosby Road. And then we're going to do a few laps. You see the course, the outside track just up here. 1.2 on the outside, we'll do a couple of laps there. And then we'll come inside for our session, which will be 800 metre reps, 6 to 7 of them. Make your decision before you start. You know, if you're going to do 7, do 7. Don't just say, oh yeah, I'll do 7 then do 6 later on. That won't work. 400 easy pace, rest in between, alright? And you can pick a lane. Okay. Seeing that you're going to pick a lane, 800 metres is a loose term. It's going to be 2 laps. So if you're in lane 8, you're doing an extra 50 or 60 metres per lap. And really effort is the focus. So you can put it on your watch, focus on digits, or just focus on, you know, effort, not necessarily a time, as it says. Next, we're talking logistics, okay? As I said before, up here is Crosby Road. You'll park up around here, 300 metre mark, or the 1500 metre start. Now, so, just for when we get into it, Rowan's normally about here, and I'm normally about there, and then there's a bloke who goes on a bike, but he's not on a bike anymore, he's actually running now. He used to be called Cadell or Nicole, but no, now we call him Seb, or Kevin. Rowan will be going around here once, right, that's 400, and then his second lap, around he goes again. That's his 800. Then he's going to rest. Nice and slow. See that, how he's resting? Round you go. Okay. After that, we go again. 800 metres, ladies and gentlemen. Now, when you, if you're a slower runner than Rowan, everyone is, come in around here, duck in a little bit, don't be shy, get into lane 3 and then push out wider if need be. One tip for the new runners, even on the last one, the last rep, you're going to get to about here, right, and Rowan will be possibly back here. It won't matter how far behind you he is. When you get to about here, Rowan will come from about here to there in about 2 seconds, and he'll pip you at the post. That's just what he does. Don't feel bad about it. So we've got 800 metre reps next Tuesday night. Duncan McKinnon. By the way, this is a whiteboard. Thank you and good night.